Okay, what do we have now to do? We have to draw these circles. So I have first to choose this surface, normal 2, sketch, activate sketch, make a drawing. Okay, I want to add the center. So just if you go around this area, you will find the circle or the center. Or if you just go and touch this arc, the software will give you the center. So click on this center circle. This circle, what is the phi of the circle? Don't have it here, we have it here. So the phi here is 10 millimeters. So this is the phi of this circle, which is 10, check. And it's fully defined. Okay, feature, extrude cut. Okay, and all this extrude cut is through all. Okay, through all, check. Okay, we want to make a copy or of the circle in the other side. So click on this cut, then maximize this window, then mirror. Okay, this mirror should be, if you click on this part, the arrow here, is it around the front or the top or the right? Obviously it will be on around the front. So if you click on the front, he make a copy. He makes a copy from for this cylinder. Cut to this side around the front, as you can see, the front plane. Okay, the front plane. Then check. Okay. Now, the most important thing here is how to do this part. In the previous, in the problem 1, we introduced how to make a plane. Okay, a new plane. Then this plane we can draw anything on this plane, then make an extrude. So the same thing here. How can we do that? Okay, first of all we maximize a little bit, then reference geometry, plane. Okay, as you can see, this part, okay, is on this edge. So we have to do this. So click the when you make a plane, a new plane, you have to click on the edge first. Okay, this is the first the first part. If you click on the part, the second reference, you have to add 2 references. The reference that contain this part on the edge. So the first thing, you have to add the edge, then the surface. Which surface? What is the surface that this part is extruded on? It's on this surface. Yes. So we click on this surface. Okay, he made now a plane. We'll do it again. So first of all, escape to make sure that there is no sketch, nothing here. So feature, reference geometry, plane. We will add a new plane. We need 2 references. Okay, this part is on which edge? Is it on this edge or this edge? No, it's on this edge. So we have to click the first reference on this edge. Okay, the second reference is this part is extruded on something. So what is this something, or what is this surface? You have the second reference. It has to be on this surface. Okay, now he made a plane, okay, which is 90 degree on this surface. How can I edit this surface to be 40 degree? Okay, you have here an option. If you go down, you go down, you can add here the angle. So click on this angle, okay, and now you can minimize the degree until it becomes 40 degree, or just click on that and click 40 degree. From this surface it's 40 degree. So then okay, check. So now we have a plane on this edge, okay. You can draw this shape, okay, on this new plane, which is not vertical, not horizontal. It has an angle of 40 degree. Now go to this, click on this plane from the tree, normal to. We can draw now. We can draw sketch, activate sketch. I'm gonna draw, okay, this circle. So we will make the hole, not now, after we draw the outside shape. So we'll go up, then we draw a circle. This circle has a phi of 44, so small dimension, sorry, small dimension. This circle has a phi, or a diameter of 44 millimeter, check. And also small dimension of okay. So we are going to add the dimension of this. So it's 44. Now small dimension between this center and this edge. So from this center to this edge, what is the length here? The length is 30, 30, 30, 30, check. Okay, still the circle is not fully defined. I have to add a relation between this point and the origin point. What is the relation here? For example, if there is no origin point, just find out any midpoint between, for example, midpoint, this midpoint and this center. What is the relation here? The relation is vertical. So you can, now the circle is, so you can click here and make a relation fully vertical, or any midpoint between this and this, okay. Now I have to draw this line, then go left, then go up. So click on this line. You have to zoom in. Why? You have to click on this quarter point, go down, okay, go down vertical, make sure that you are vertical, click here, then go left until it becomes vertical with the quarter point. Click here, then go to quarter point, click here, and then escape. Now delete this line, the lower side of this circle, because we don't need it. Okay, as you can see, this is the shape, the outside shape. We will make the hole after we make an extrude. So feature, extrude. Now, is the extrude in this side? No, you have to make it in the other side. Okay. Now just make sure, just notice that if we made an extrude like this, there will be a new, for example, if you did it like this, for example, like this, okay, there will be an extra thing which is not included. For example, if you did like this, extrude, you see there is a new thing, or an extra part that you don't need. How can you make the extrude up to the surface? He makes an extrude up to the surface. How can we do that? So basically you have to right click on this extrude we did, then edit feature to edit this extrude. Now don't make the extrude blind, make it up to surface. Now he asks you which surface do you want to extrude and stop on this surface. Okay, we are going to click on this surface. So he makes an extrude up to the pink surface. The pink surface. Then click on check. Okay. Okay, so we don't have an extra thing here. Okay, so we have a new extrude here, which is up to surface. We made an offset. Now we have a new extrude which is up to surface. Okay, now click on this surface, normal tool. We're going to draw a sketch which is in a circle. Okay, finding the center. Where is the center? We don't have it here. Just if you touch just the arc, he will give you. Where is it? Okay, this is at the center. Click on this center and make a small dimension of this circle, which is phi of 22. 2 check. Okay. Now we made this sketch feature. We have a hole. So extrude cut and make this extrude cut through all. Check. Can see. So he made an extrude cut through all. So make the circle after you make the extrude, then make a circle, then make extrude cut. Finally we have this part, very simple. We have to go front or top or right. We have to go to front, then normal tool. I'm going to make a sketch. Okay, before that, if I just don't need this plane to be shown, what should I do? Right click, then click on this eye, so it's not there. Okay. If you want to show it, click on this plane from the tree, then make this eye. Click on this eye. Okay. Now we have to again to go to the front, normal to sketch. Okay, I want from the front make this sketch which is corner rectangle. Okay, from this point go up. Okay, to this, click. Okay, small dimension. The width here is 5 millimeter. Okay, what should I have? Just I need to tell him that this point and this point, what is the relation between, or for example this point and this point, what is the relation here? The relation is horizontal. Check. Okay, we made this rectangle on this on the front plane. Now feature, extrude, sorry, not extrude, extrude. What is the width? The width here is 20. Okay, is it in the left side? Is it on the right side or mid plane? So I have to make the extrude here mid plane. Check. Now our model is completed, as you can see. Okay, I hope this question is easy to you. Try to do it yourself and then go to the question number 4. Okay, thank you.